How to install WordPress on Crazy Domains. So this is just going to be a quick tutorial, guys. If you guys would like to go ahead and use WordPress or Crazy Domains with your website and business, I do have links to this in the description box down below. So just go ahead and tap on that so you could get started. So essentially, if you guys would like to go ahead and connect and basically install WordPress on Crazy Domains and link those two together, what we need to do first is to go on over to crazydomains.com. So I'm currently on their website right now, and what we need to go ahead and do from here is to click the account manager and log on to your preferred account. So if you haven't seen that just yet, just go ahead and just tap on sign up or log in if you have, or if you already have an account built on Crazy Domains. But once you're done with that, what we need to go ahead and do next is to go to the hosting section on your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, I want you to tap on the hosting section and choose the hosting package connected to your domain. Click manage to open the hosting manager, and then we're done with the Crazy Domains part of this tutorial. Now I want you to go ahead on WordPress.com as well. Once you're already on WordPress.com, I want you to go on and log on to your preferred accounts on here and go on to the hosting manager section. Once you're there, let's go on and scroll down to the web applications or look for the Softoculous apps installer. This will basically connect these two together, giving you a seamless transition between the two. Now, once you're done with that, I want you to tap on or click on WordPress from the list of available apps over on Softoculous Apps Installer and hit install. Now, once you're done with that, all we need to do is to configure the installation, choose the preferred domain. Now, I want you to go ahead and basically select the domain where you want WordPress to be installed. Next, we want to go on over and handle the directory. I want you to go ahead and just leave this blank if you want it on your main domain. For example, the main domain that you're currently using with your WordPress website. Now, I want you to fix or configure the site settings. I want you to go on over and enter your site name as well as the site description. Of course, if you're not sure of this, you could always change this later. And lastly, I want you to go on over the admin account to set your WordPress username, password, and admin email. Now, I want you to keep in mind as well to keep these credentials safe once you handle and fix all of these configurations, because this is what will allow you to log in and configure both applications. Now, once you're done, just click install, wait for a few seconds while the installer sets everything up, and once you're complete, you'll see a link to your new WordPress site and its domain login. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress on Crazy Domain with just a few clicks. Let me know if this worked down in the comment section below. And if you'd like to go ahead and use any of these websites, I do have links to this in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.